Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Pontiac Vibe all-wheel drive. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Pontiac has less than 122,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.